In 2026, the easiest business to start is not e-commerce, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, or any of those other things. You want something that's going to help you get up and running fast, is something that many people are already doing, and something that doesn't require a lot of time, energy, effort, and upfront money. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest business that you could start in 2026. In fact, you could start this business after this video. Now, make sure you watch this entire video because it's going to be important that you follow the steps closely and you don't skip any steps, because if you skip steps, unfortunately, you might miss something important. And I've been doing this for, 10 years now. So I've got pretty good experience. So what we're going to do is I'm going to outline the business, why you should start it, how to get started, and encourage you to take action, because all of this is worthless unless you actually get started. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I believe in platform-proof income. I don't believe in the YouTube Partner Program or the TikTok Shop or any of those other ways to get paid, because they're unpredictable, they're unstable, and they can be taken from you at any point. If you want to be taken seriously, if you want to make real money, you need to have more control. And the best way to have control is to become platform-proof. If you feel that way, make sure that you follow me and share this video with anyone that still wants to get paid by YouTube, because it's a bad idea in 2026. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to outline the process that you should follow step by step in order to start the easiest online business. Now, let me just outline why this is such a great opportunity. You don't need to have any inventory. You can work with major brands. You can work with small brands. You can work with anybody. You could use the products and services you have sitting around your house. Like, I could start my online business with this microphone. You don't have to worry about returns or shipping or customer service or creating your own product or doing market research or figuring out if people even want your product. All of that's really taken care of for you. So all you have to do is, once you follow the steps, you have to basically repeat the same 3 to 7 steps weekly, and you can find success. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you'll make $10 million. I'm not guaranteeing you that this will happen overnight. All of this does take consistency and persistence. The online business that I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. It's recommending other people's products and services. Now, before you click off, let me just explain to you why this is such a great opportunity. Basically, because you're already doing it. You're already doing it. You're doing it for free. For example, a few weeks ago, we were going to go take the kids to the movies. And I was curious if the new Superman would be okay for kids. It's kind of violent. There's, our kids are young, 10-year-olds, and my little guy will be 8 soon. And I asked somebody who had already seen the movie, hey, I'm thinking about taking my kids over to see Superman. Would it give them nightmares? Would it keep them up at night? And he said, for the most part, it's a pretty good movie. But toward the end, it starts to get a little weird. They're like aliens and foreign people that might, keep them up at night. I don't recommend that you go see Superman. Not yet. Go see this movie instead. And that's what we did. And, I went and saw it with my wife later, and I think he was right. And I think a few of those scenes would have kept my kids up at night, and they would have been sleeping in our bed because they were fearful. But that's essentially what affiliate marketing is. You are recommending products and services based on your knowledge, skills, and experience. And the great part about it is you can get started with the stuff that's lying around your house. For example, this globe that I've got here, I could recommend it because I have experience putting it up. I have experience, peeling off the stickers and all that stuff, this microphone, all of this stuff, really. And so let's go ahead, now that I've given you a quick anecdotal story, let's go ahead and talk about this process step by step. But before we do, let me give you a little bit of background, my experience with affiliate marketing. I started affiliate marketing, like I said, about 10 years ago. And I actually got started with affiliate marketing because I wanted to make money. I wanted to make money online. I was watching a YouTube video while I was at work from a well-known guru and influencer. And he said, you know what? One of the best ways to make money is with the Bluehost affiliate program. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Bluehost and you're going to click on become an affiliate. You're going to get your affiliate link. And then you're going to go over to a website called Quora and you're going to answer a bunch of questions. And when you answer a bunch of questions, you're going to put your affiliate link in the answers. And people are going to click on those affiliate links and buy. So that's exactly what I did. Instead of actually doing work, I went over and followed those directions. And this is before AI. So take all of this with a little grain of salt. Bluehost, if you don't know, it's a web hosting platform. So basically, it's where people go to build WordPress websites. So I got my affiliate link. I went over to Quora and I started answering questions and I put my affiliate link in. I probably answered maybe no more than 7 questions before I ran out of things to say. So I went back to work, or pretending to work. And a few hours later, I got kind of a nastygram, a little email from Quora saying that my answer had been removed for violating the terms of service. I actually got 2 of those emails right away because Quora doesn't want you, or didn't want you, to put affiliate links inside of the description or inside of their answers, because people would just spam affiliate links, right? And so, dejected, frustrated, annoyed. Ooh, I got the hiccups. Annoyed. I went back to work thinking, okay, this isn't going to work for me. So I wind up getting home about 4 o'clock that day, and I checked my email again, and I'd gotten 2 emails back to back from Bluehost saying that I had earned affiliate commissions. I wish I still had those, because I would show them to you. That I'd earned affiliate commissions for recommending products and service. So in the like 12 hours that I started affiliate marketing, I'd made $130. At the time, affiliate commissions were $65 per sale. Made $130 in 12 hours. Now, again, I'm not telling you that that's going to happen for you. In fact, that probably won't happen for you. But it's important to know that I've been doing affiliate marketing for 10 years now. I've recommended web hosting. I've recommended sound bars and stand mixers and security cameras. I've recommended online courses. I actually have a plaque sitting on the ground here for earning over $20,000 in commissions. I think that's what it says. I don't know. I haven't looked at it in a while. I have recommended anything and everything, right? And I've worked with a variety of programs. I've earned affiliate commissions for like ClickFunnels and all sorts of stuff. School, one of the more recent ones. So I've got pretty good experience, and I can tell you what works and what doesn't work. And what worked 10 years ago works now, surprisingly, because all you're doing is solving problems for other people. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into how to do this step by step. Now, step number 1 is to pick a pain and purchase niche. Do not follow your passion. I know a lot of people out there, a lot of gurus out there, going to tell you to follow your passion. Don't follow your passion. Follow something that is painful. Follow something that has a solution tied to it. This can be health, wealth, relationship, technology. It could be people wanting to start to become a content creator, as long as there is a consistent pain associated with it. So for health, people want to lose weight. Men in their 40s want to lose significant amount of weight. Wealth, people want to obviously make more money, find better jobs, maybe go back to school. Relationships, people want to get married, stay married. People might be looking for ways to leave their spouse or even build better relationships with their kids. Technology. And when I say technology, I'm also roping in content creators, because that's a huge growing niche. But when you think about content creators, there's so much. I'm talking to you through a camera, microphone, all sorts of lighting, and even the background stuff here is all related to technology. Okay. What I would tell you to do is look at the problems that you've solved for yourself over the last 5 years. Chances are, if you've solved those problems for yourself, you can solve those problems for other people. Now, before we get going, I think it's very important to understand that you should pick, how can I say this? You should pick a topic and then niche down. So instead of just talking about health, you want to help men in their 40s lose weight through weight training. That's very specific. That's talking to a very specific group of people, but that group of people, probably millions, right? When you talk to a very specific group of people, you can talk to their pain points, their goals, dreams, desires, and things that they're thinking but afraid to say out loud. When you say, I want to help people lose weight, that doesn't mean anything. And the old adage goes, when you try and help everybody, you don't help anyone. Or when you're trying to talk to everyone, you talk to no one, right? So get specific. In fact, I want you to try and help you, right? So I'm a male in my 40s. I want to lose weight, right? So I want to turn around and help other people. And in fact, I think I'm down like 60 pounds. So I'm in a good position to help other people, other men in their 40s lose weight, because I have gone through it and I can talk to the products and services that they need. So now that we've done that, I want you to make a list of 5 to 7 products and services that you've used to help you achieve the goal that you want to help other people achieve. So whether it is, I'll just give you my example. So, like for weight loss, creatine, right? Different supplements. There are fitness routines. There are courses online that you could follow. Find 5 to 7 of them, and then you're going to apply. And when you apply, you're simply going to share your business plan. Now, the rest of this video is going to be your business plan, so make sure that you take notes. But you're going to apply, and these people don't know you, they don't know anything about you, so it's really important that you are detailed and explicit about how you're going to help them further their brand, because they only want to partner with people that are going to help them make money. Now, what's really cool about affiliate marketing is you can apply to multiple affiliate programs. You can be an affiliate for Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy and Target and all sorts of these places. GNC. There are over 12,000 affiliate programs out there, so you should be able to find one. And if you're struggling to find an affiliate program, there's a few ways. You can go to the website and scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for affiliate program. You can type in your niche, so like men's fitness affiliate programs, and you can get a list there. You can go to you can go to ChatGPT and say, my niche is helping men in their 40s lose weight. Give me a list of 20 affiliate programs. It will work best if you've actually used the products and services, but that's not a hard and fast rule. So that's step number one. Step number two, and I spent a lot of time on step number one because it's really important. Step number two is to choose one traffic source. And when I say traffic, it's how we're going to get attention, because affiliate marketing only works if we're getting attention. And so what you want to do is decide one place: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Decide where you're going to hang out. You don't have to be everywhere. One of the biggest myths out there is that you've got to be in all these different places. YouTube gets 2 billion monthly users. Pinterest gets 1 billion monthly users. Facebook gets a couple billion. Instagram gets a couple billion. All of these places get a couple billion monthly users, and you just need a fraction of that in order to be successful. So pick one place, ideally a place where you like to hang out, and you're going to do a little bit of research. You're going to become the expert. What's working? What are people talking about? What are some of their concerns? How are they asking questions? For example, if you're going to go YouTube, I would join a bunch of channels that are already in your space. Join channels that have less than 10,000 subscribers. Join channels that have less than 50. Join channels that have less than 100,000, so you can see what's working for them. And then you're going to model, not copy. You're going to model what's working for them. If you are on Facebook, join a bunch of Facebook groups and see what questions they're asking. In fact, if you go the Facebook route and you join a bunch of Facebook groups, start engaging with people. Start talking to them. Don't try and sell them right away, but start talking to them. Start answering questions. Start setting yourself up so that people want to follow you. Because if you answer their questions, they feel valued, and they'll start forming a parasocial relationship. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, look and see what's working. Follow the top creators and challenge the top creators. That's one of the cool things that you can do, is challenge common wisdom and common thought, only if you believe it. But that's a good way to get started. All right, so that is number two. Number three is, like I said, have maybe 5 to 7 different affiliate programs. And what we're going to do is we can rotate promoting them. And the way that we're going to do that is we are going to rotate them through email marketing. Email marketing is the hidden secret between people that are really successful with affiliate marketing and people that aren't. Oftentimes people will say, Alston, affiliate marketing doesn't work. And I'll say, are you doing email marketing? And the answer is always no. And that's how I know that you will fail with affiliate marketing. You've got to do email marketing, because most people will not buy right away. Not only will most people not buy right away, most people will not see you multiple times because of the algorithm and how the algorithms change. It's very rare that one person will see you the required times needed for them to feel comfortable enough to buy from you. So what I encourage you to do is start email marketing from the beginning. One of my biggest frustrations is that I didn't start email marketing from the beginning. And email marketing consists of a landing page with a headline and a subheadline, a input box for their name and their email, and a submit button. Once they enter in that information, they get added to your mailing list, and then that's when you email them. You're going to give them what's called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that, or a freebie, is something that they want in exchange for their name and their email. So if I want to help men in their 40s lose weight, I might give them a fitness checklist or a 7-day couch to gym planner where they can plan out their routine for the first 7 days. People that want to lose weight, they're going to want that. Okay, we want to alleviate a frustration, help them save time. And so we'll offer that to them in exchange for their name and their email. And what we can do is we can sell affiliate products and services through our email. When we're looking at affiliate products, we want to look for things that are reoccurring. So kind of like software. If we can find a high ticket education or something along those lines, that works as well. And make sure that everything that we're promoting actually works toward the problem that we're solving. If we're in the fitness niche and I'm helping men in their 40s lose weight, I don't want to promote video games because it's not congruent. Okay. All right. So make sure you're doing email marketing. Okay. It's really, really important. If you're not doing email marketing, you're not going to succeed, and you're going to call me a liar, and you're going to say that affiliate marketing doesn't work. But I guarantee you, everyone that's really successful with affiliate marketing, they're doing email marketing. They might not be telling you, but that's how they're doing it. So what we're going to do next is come up with content ideas. And the content ideas the content that you create really depends on where you're hanging out. If you're starting a blog, which is really competitive, but you can still do it, it's going to be search engine optimization. And if you start a blog, you need to pair it with Pinterest or something else. If you're doing YouTube, probably SEO. If you are doing TikTok or Instagram, make sure that you are targeting people at the appropriate awareness level. People on TikTok and Instagram might not realize that they need to lose weight, but they understand that they've got symptoms of being overweight. Do you struggle to walk up the stairs? Or do you break out into sweats anytime you do 2 flights of stairs? Do you have to take a break walking through a mall? Do you have to sit down for 15 minutes? And people will resonate and understand that. And then that's when you can tell them about, here are 3 things that you can do to make sure that you don't feel that frustration anymore. All of your content needs to have a hook, story, and offer. A hook is that main title or headline or sentence to pull people in. The offer, the story is you paying off the hook. So if you're saying, if you're struggling to walk from your car to the front door of your office building, here are 3 things that you need to do today. The 3 things are the story, and then the offer is the call to action. Make sure you're always telling people to take that next step, because if you don't tell them to do something, they won't do anything. And the call to action is going to be like, hey, look, I put together a 7-day fitness guide that will help you get off the couch and get back into the gym. Check out the link in my description if you're interested. That's a call to action. Your other calls to action can be like, follow me for more, share this with a friend. In fact, I used a call to action early in this video where I told you to share this video with a friend, right? And so what you're going to do is you're going to, once you've got this framework going, you are simply going to send out emails every single day promoting products and services. And then you can rotate them, right? You can do like a 5 or 7 day email sequence for each one of the offers or the products that you found. And like I said, this is your business plan. So whenever you have to apply to an affiliate program, just tell them this is what you're going to do. Outline it explicitly. If they reject you, still make the content, still keep going, because you can always reapply. There are literally thousands of other affiliate programs that are doing the exact same thing. And so I said that weird, but you can do that as well. So your email sequence can be deliver the freebie, and a quick win, share your story. Next is, kind of teach a framework and a common mistake, show proof, so testimonials or demos, and then direct recommendation, and how to get started. And then really the final step is just to track your conversions and your clicks. You want to look at your EPC, earnings per click, look at numbers like that. Make sure that you're checking your video views, opt-ins per week, click-through rate, open rate for emails, because if you can improve those 1 or 2%, you're going to see a huge increase in the amount of money that you can make. So earnings per click for affiliate links, click-through rate, view duration, open rates for email, click-through rate for email as well. But if you do this and you are consistent and you are persistent and you look at your views and see what's working, what isn't working, and you make the necessary changes, this can work for you. This can work for literally anybody. I recommend showing up on camera, but some people are going to say, I can't do faceless. It is what it is. I think that affiliate marketing is easier when you show up on camera. Can it work if you're doing it faceless? Of course, it's going to take a little bit longer, because people want to connect with other people. And I've said this before. When you show up on camera, people are looking for a reason to stay a little bit longer. When you are faceless, I think people are looking for a reason to leave. And if they hear a word that's mispronounced correctly, or if the video doesn't perfectly line up, they're out the door, in my opinion. You can do faceless if you want. I don't care. It's your business. Ultimately, this is your business in your life. So if you do faceless and it doesn't work, try showing up on camera. If you show up on camera and it doesn't work, try going faceless and see if there's a difference, right? Every business is going to be different, but I guarantee you, if you are consistent and persistent, this will work for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Comment down below 21-minute mark if you stayed until the end of this video. Let me know your experience with affiliate marketing. Did it work for you? Did you run into some hurdles or roadblocks? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.